Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misty. If you are new here, I want to take a moment and thank you for taking time out of your busy life to click on and watch this video. It truly means a lot to me. I received today my BoxyCharm for the month of November. This is the first month that they've changed it up, and I will leave all the details down below as to what has changed and what you now get. Next month I have opted to get the BoxyLux. I figure I might as well try it. I might still just get my BoxyCharm too. I'm a makeaholic, what can I say? I got this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer Sampler. They are including this one and then a Becca one in each box, and they want you to use it and then go on BoxyCharm and fill out the complexion quiz. They're wanting to customize for their boxes to your skin tone and color and what best suits you. So I will be doing this probably tomorrow. So this month, I'm so excited. I was kind of sad last month. I wanted the eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors, and I got the Tarte, and I like my Tarte palette. Don't get me wrong. We can't get everything we want, and I'm okay with that. I am just very appreciative that we are able to get subscription boxes like this and the variety that we do get. So I want to give a thank you to BoxyCharm for what they do and all that they do to get each and every one of us who subscribe various items to try. So this month I'm excited because I got several things that I really wanted. First, I got these masks. They're Haruharu. I don't know how to say it. They're the Wonder Maqui Berry Antioxidant Mask Set. So this mask seems very interesting to me, even though I don't know anything about the Maqui berry. But I'll find out more and look for this in an upcoming Misty's Mask Monday. Then I did receive this GlamGlow 60-second pore refining treatment. Their packaging always gets me because it's excessive. Oh my. So I'm excited to give this one a try. It comes out lavender. I'll have to do this on a day when I'm doing a full Grit Ready with me. It smells good. But anything that can refine my pores, winner. Okay, and then I also received this Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I have never heard of this. It's a $90 serum. I am all for trying new serums. I typically use just La Mer. I am almost finished with my one serum, so before opening my other La Mer one, I'm going to go ahead and give this one a try. This intrigues me. It comes in a dropper form. I'm not a big fan of droppers, but and this Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. and it does feel really nice. It's made my hand feels so soft and silky. So I will try this just as soon as I am out of my La Mer serum and let you know what I think. I will make sure I make a note that I am going to follow up. Next we have Dose of Colors, and this one is in Date Night, and this is their liquid matte lipstick. I have never used a Dose of Colors lip before, so let's just do something really quick. All right. So I am definitely excited to try this. Let me show you what it looks like on my hand. Ooh. Ah, this is pigmented. This color looks a little brighter on my screen than it does in real life. It is beautiful. I love the saturation. So far it's not drying. But these retail for $18. I may have to really look into Dose of Colors lipsticks. And then last but not least by any means is the Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. I was hoping I would get this because I've used Dominique Cosmetics before and I do like her eyeshadow palettes. And I have always found the quality to be very good. Oh, these colors are stunning. I'm going to try and let you get a really good view. The card states, Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. So I am going to go ahead and swatch these. I am definitely going to do a look with these, if not two. Okay. Eternal Light. I want you to be able to see the full. Isn't that stunning? I mean, look at that. And then we have Fireball. And this is like orange pink shift to it. It's beautiful. Black Matter. And then we have Zero Gravity. That one's a little, again, just because something is swatching a little patchy does not mean that's how it's going to go on the eyes. You can't judge a shadow based on a swatch. So here's the second row. We have Lucid Dream. That is very, very pink. It's pretty pink. Then we have Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Just to show you the whole range. Look at that. Even that Black Matter. Just the, oh, it's stunning. Stunning, stunning. So I am so excited to have received this box with all these items. That is it for this BoxyCharm unboxing. I love all the products that I got. I am going to follow up. Okay, so that is my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of November. I really am excited to try each of those items that I received. Like I said, I'm going to use this Kypris serum I should be done with my current serum within the next couple of days, and I will follow up. Good, bad, or indifferent, I will let you know how I feel about this. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so yet, I would really love to have you as part of my family. I do have the best YouTube family out there. I'm not lying. Just ask them. Anyway, I do appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you for your time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Much love. All right, so that's just going to wrap up today's video with my Boxy Uncharming for the month of my Boxy Uncharming.